Hi, I'm Cheryl, and I'm so happy you found Dillon Lakes. Purchasing your new home can be both exciting and a little scary. I work with first-time home buyers all the time, and they love how simple our home buying process is. I would love to show you how easy it is too.
What's really unique about Dillon Lakes is that you can pick from a townhome or a single-family home. So whether you need more space but less maintenance, or you want a backyard of your own, you can get exactly what you're looking for here at an affordable price.
I'm sure you're thinking, I can't wait to stop throwing money away on rent. I felt the same way before I bought my first home.
What if you could own a new home for the same or less than your rent? Finally build equity of your own and have more space to spread out. Well, it's all possible at Dillon Lakes.
There are even low down payment options available, where you won't need much to get started, not even upfront costs for appliances.
That's because all of your appliances come included, the washer and dryer too. So you won't need to pay for those out of pocket like you would in a resale home.
One of the things I enjoy most about working with new home buyers is seeing them light up when they get to choose their floor plan, their design package, and personalize the home with their preferences.
You can pick from floor plans with 3 to 5 bedrooms and up to 2,100 square feet. All of them will give you a modern, open layout, perfect for entertaining or keeping an eye on the kids while cooking. Then, you'll choose the design finishes you love. And we're there for you every step of the way, from getting a loan to picking up your keys. It's that simple.
So are you ready for your next steps? Schedule a visit to come see us at Dillon Lakes. We can't wait to welcome you home.